Hello dear friends, this is Unit 18 and we are going to learn used to. See, used to is used as a modal verb. Also, used is used as an adjective. So, before I say something, before I teach something, look at this example situation. Okay, this is a picture and there is a lady. Her name is Nicola. Okay, first picture is about a few years ago and this picture is of these days. Let's read the sentences now. Nicola doesn't travel much these days. She prefers to stay at home. Okay? This is Nicola's story about present. But what about the past? She used to travel a lot and she used to go away 2 or 3 times a year. She used to travel a lot means she traveled a lot, often in the past. But she doesn't do this anymore. Did you understand? Let us have some more examples, discuss some more examples, okay? Something used to happen. It means it happened often in the past, but it doesn't happen anymore. I used to play tennis a lot, but I don't play very much now. David used to spend a lot of money on clothes, but these days he can't afford it. Do you go to the cinema much? Not now, but I used to. Okay? So it is clear from these example sentences that used to is used with V1 to talk about a situation or an action that happened in the past very often, but it doesn't happen anymore at present. Okay? We also use used to for things that were true but not true anymore. Like, this building is now a furniture shop. It used to be a cinema. Means earlier it was a cinema, but now this is a furniture shop. I used to think Mark was unfriendly. Means it was my opinion about Mark. But now I realize he is a very nice person. I have started drinking tea recently. I never used to like it before. Means I like it now, but earlier I did not like it. Lisa used to have very long hair when she was a child. Means it means that she does not have so long hair now. So we use used to for things that were true but are not true anymore. Okay? When I say that somebody used to do something, it means we are talking about past. There is no present. You cannot say I used to do. You cannot use used to in the present form. It is always used only about the past. Okay? If you want to talk about the present, we should use present indefinite or simple present for that. Like, if I say he used to play, we used to play, there used to be a temple beside my house. All these means that we are talking about past. If we want to talk about present, we will say he plays, we live, there is a temple beside my house. Okay? How to make question sentences with used to. Okay? A simple way to use did. Did you use? When I use did, then we should not use used. We should use. Did you used to eat a lot of sweets when you were a child? The negative is also formed in the same way by using didn't and use. I didn't used to like him. But there is another way to make negative also. I used not to like him. Okay? So I used to do and I was doing. I used to watch a TV lot and I was watching TV when Rob called. When I say I used to watch TV a lot, means I'm talking about a repeated action, habit or nature or something like that. But when I say I was watching, means I'm talking about an action that continued at a particular moment in the past. Okay? Now, in the beginning of the lesson, I told you that we use used as an adjective also. When we use used as an adjective, is, am, was, where, or any form of get is used before used, and after to before is used, or any noun. Like, I am used to working in the sun. Means I have a habit of working in the sun. I don't have any issue with it. Okay, and I used to work in the sun means in the past I worked in the sun very often. Okay, so we should not confuse. Thank you very much.